Hi guys, welcome back to Operation Sugar Inspire and Grow. Today, Saturday, May 29th, 2021, is our final session. Today, we had our closing ceremony and our recap, our feedback session segment, and then our presentation of the certificates. This is the end, guys. This was the final time I got to see y'all face to face. And it's a sad moment, but at the same time, I'm really glad. So, although today being a very bittersweet moment for us, because it's the signaling of the end of our session where, the last time we'll be seeing each other apart from, the WhatsApp group that we have. It is also the end of this workshop for you all and a new beginning in leadership for you guys as well. So we would have started our session today with our sympathies and stuff, sentiments, we would have gone into the recap where we kind of brainstormed the 6 mindsets. We stated the responsible mindset, the worldly mindset, the collaborative mindset, the creative and critical thinking mindset, the gender equality mindset, and the reflective mindset. So each person talked a little bit about the mindset and what they remember the mindset to be. That was part of our recap. And then we did this exercise where we drew a light bulb and we divided the light bulb into, the top of the light bulb into 5, and we had the screw part as one, so it was 6 equal parts for this light bulb, and each section represented one of the mindsets, and we used that activity to kind of plot the mindsets in terms of where, when, why, what, how, and who. And yeah, after that, we watched a breakdown video of all 6 of the mindsets that I would have sent to a fellow JLS participant, Anya, in Poland, stating my views on the mindset, what I remember the mindsets to be at the beginning. So after watching our video, we got straight into the leadership outcomes outlined by the World Association of Girl Guides and Girl Scouts. So they have stated that when a person successfully completes the 6 mindsets, learning the 6 mindsets, there are 10 things, 10 things that they are supposed to be able to achieve or supposed to be able to do after having gone through the 6 mindsets in depth. After that, we looked at the expectations of the participants. So like stated in the first session, the very first session that we had, the introductory session, we stated that your expectations are that you're supposed to tell 5 of your female friends about the 6 mindsets we learned in this session. That is all that you have to do. That is all that we request of you. Tell your friends. We then got into a special project for 2 of our girls. We called I called on 2 volunteers out of all of you girls, 2 volunteers to submit 2 short videos, 1 video each, on something about the mindsets. So you're supposed to say something about the workshop, something about the mindsets, anything at all that you want to state in this video, just a quote from you about the mindsets. After that, we got into the exit survey that I created for you guys to give me your feedback. We did that, and then we had a question and answer segment. So I let you have the floor. You gave me your comments, queries, suggestions, your feedback, and everything that you taught about the project. You talked about the delivery of the project. You talked about the information. You talked about how interactive the slides were, how interactive the sessions were. You talked about the photos and videos used to demonstrate certain mindsets. You talked about my attitude towards you. You all talked about every single thing possible in the feedback session, and I am grateful for that. After that, we got straight into our certificate presentations. So we had photos of the workshop participants, and then we got into slides of the participant with their certificate side of them. And that was basically the end of our session. After we looked at every single participant individually with their certificate, I extended my congratulations to y'all. I thanked y'all. We got into the closing remarks and the vote of thanks. So yeah, that was kind of lengthy because we had a lot of people to thank. Especially the Girl Guides Association of Barbados, the World Association of Girl Guides and Girl Scouts, and the Division of Youth Affairs attached to the Ministry of Youth, Sports and Community Empowerment in Barbados. Thank you guys all so much. That was the end of our session today. I also stated at the end that y'all could tell me how you want your certificates, whether you want it via email, WhatsApp, or if you want me to print them and you meet me for them. Right. So you can let me know. And yeah, that was the end. So thank you guys for signing up and staying the course of this workshop, Operation Sugar, Inspire and Grow. Hope to see you soon. Good luck at being leaders. Bye guys.